Hello and welcome to another MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman, Tech Evangelist here at MSAB. Today we're having a look at XAMN Pro, and we're going to be looking at a feature that has been long time requested and a lot of people still aren't sure that we actually have this feature. So I wanted to show you today just how easy it is. This is a feature for you guys who work in the e-discovery world, and that is the export format into Relativity. So let's take a look and see how we can use this new export format. So for here, I've gone into all artifacts, and as a simple example, we might want to share calls, messages, and contacts out as a Relativity format. So we've now got our list filtered on just these artifacts, and to export it, we simply go up to the top ribbon bar and we select Report and Export. Once we've selected that, we then will get the options of what formats we want to export in. Now you can see here we have a box especially for Relativity. Make sure on the artifact section that you're on filtered. You don't want to export everything, you just want the filter that you've applied. Once I've done that, I hit next. There's no options to choose here because we're going to simply output it in the desired format. Press next. We then give a name to our export. I'm going to call this Relativity. Hit export. That export is now going to take place. And you can see that this was very quick to do. We open the folder, and here is my log, detailing for audit purposes, and I check the folder, and there is the desired format of .rsmf, which is for Relativity. We hope that you can see how easy this was to do, and will join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.